Hello everyone, my name is Richard. Today is my individual presentation. My presentation will be divided into the three main parts. Analyze the two sections in the case. The second is presenting the result after the analysis. And the last is a conclusion section. Yeah, so let's begin our presentation. Good morning, respected member of investigative panel. Today, I will explain how Australian and Malaysian corporate laws apply to the 1MDB schedule. We will talk about two main sections, the petrol state joint venture and the illegal amber loan agreement. The Corporations Act 2001 is a law that sets out the specific duties of company directors. There's including the duty to artists with care and diligence in good faith in the best interests of the company, not to improperly use the position and to disclose any artists of presenting conflicts or interest. Importantly, the artists also say that shadow directors can be held responsible for the company's actions. Shadow directors are people who are a lot of influence over bond decisions, even if they haven't been officially appointed. Next, we move on to the first case analysis. So in relation to the Petrocell venture, the appointed director failed to fulfill what they should have done in the security oil joint venture. It is illegal for them to ignore their own rules and let Long Zhou make the decision. Long Zhou has a lot of control, so he may be regarded as a shadow director. This means that he may be held responsible for any proper behavior. However, Chen may have a good reason as he raised the contractor and they left the bomb. In directing that he wanted to ensure he was not involved in any mistake. Now, next we will analyze the second case. So in this case, CEO Bob created a fake meeting news. This means he made a fake recording of a meeting that did not happen or changed. What was the real side? Doing this is a serious problem. It breaks his legal duties and may also count as fraud, which is a criminal action. Other directors also make a mistake. They approved their fake documents without checking them problem. Then they did not ask enough questions or look close and at the details. By doing this, they failed to do their job as directors. The law says directors must law action carefully and responsibly. In this case, they didn't not do this. So also the company's lawyer advice, Jasmine, also acted honest. She used her position to help carry out the fraud. This is a serious breach of trust. Lawyers must follow the law and act honest. Jasmine broken these law rules and professional standards. So in both of cases, we have looked at it is unlikely that the directors can use the defense of realized under Section 198 of the Corporation Act. This section allows directors to realize on advice of information from the others, such as lawyers, accountants, or other experts when make a decision. However, this defense only works if the realize is reasonable. In this case, the directors place trust in people who should not have been trusted, or they accept the information without asking question or check it if it was correct. This kind of behavior is not considered reasonable under the law. Just say I rely on someone else is not a good enough one. Because exactly when they have a warning signal or thing that didn't make sense. So in conclusion, most of director at 1MDB, along with the CEO Bob and the legal advisor Jasmine, did not meet the illegal details. Directors are expected to test honesty carefully and in the best interest of a company. In this case, many of them failed to do that. They either approved the wrong or the honest decision, didn't ask enough question, or ignore things that something was wrong. That is seriously fail. Bob, as a CEO, not only made a prof decision, but also took part in pretty fair recordings. This is a clearly breach of his responsibility. Jasmine, the company's law advice, used her position to help carry out the honest actions. Lawyers have a duty to uphold the law, and she broken rules, legal and professional rules. Even so, Zhao Lou did not have an official title of position at 1MDB. He was still very involved in decision making. He giving instruction and influence and action of the board. Because of this, the law may trust him as a shadow director, someone who acts like directors even if they are not officially one. Shadow director can still be hold legal responsibility for himself case. But still, one person who seemed to have acted more carefully is Miss Chell. Based on the available factor, he asked the right question and tried to do the right thing. He may have the best chance to prove that he fulfilled his duty properly and should not be blamed. So looking ahead, this case shows why stronger corporate governance is so important. Companies need a system that promotes the first and foremost independence. Directors must be free from outside pressure. Second of all, diligence. Directors must take their roles seriously and stay informed. Second, is last but not least, resilience. The director must be strong enough to resist influence from powerful individuals. By learning from this case, future companies can do a better job of protecting themselves and the people who trust them. Okay, thank you everyone. This is my individual presentation.